क्योंकि ह्यूमैनिटीज के पीरियड लगा ही नहीं अपने अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ। Good morning.
Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning. How are all of you?
Ma'am,
I'm
good.
fine.
I hope you people are taking a lot of care and precautions in this time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Lot of cases coming around everywhere. Really, the condition is becoming very, very difficult now. Every day we get to know about somebody, someone. Things have really becoming very, very sad. But children, maintain your morale high and put your more time, efforts into studies. So you will not feel depressed. Did we do determiners that day?
No, ma'am.
No.
Oh, ma'am.
We have to
What did
start
we do
with
in
the
the first?
grammar.
What did we do in the first class?
Ma'am, unseen passage.
Unseen
Unseen
passage.
passage. Okay, we did unseen passage. Chalo, theek hai, never mind. So properly we are starting with the grammar session. How many of you have your fair notebooks with you?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Am I?
Okay.
Ma'am,
good.
what is the name of English grammar book?
Beta grammar book, I am still waiting. Principal sir and director sir will tell me the name of the book. I will tell you the name of the book. You don't bother about the book. I am making you prepare from here. So don't worry at all. Children, only 3 students have a notebook. I'm absolutely okay. Others, please note down in the rough. And these 3 students will post their work on the group after the class.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
you
Ma'am,
complete
the creative writing notebook and the grammar will be different, no?
No, it will be the same. It will be the
Okay,
same
ma'am.
because I am only taking both the sections. So we'll maintain only one notebook. 6
Okay,
students
ma'am.
have a notebook. Why I'm telling you maintain your notebook, children? There are 2 reasons. One, you yourself will know a record of what is happening in the school. And number 2, you are in class 10th. So you have 100 marks internal. 20 marks in each subject will be given internal to you. 80 marks paper you have now. Board exam is 80 marks. Internal is 20 marks. So when you have your internals, we'll ask you for the notebooks. So it will be difficult for you last minute then writing everything. So please maintain the notebooks.
Ma'am, can you please repeat what are we supposed to do?
Yes, Piche?
Can you please repeat what are we supposed to do? I just entered the class.
You are supposed to maintain notebook because 20 marks will be internal. When you go for your board examination, 80 marks paper comes from the board and 20 marks are given internal. Means that will be based upon your class performance and your notebooks, how you maintain them. So what you need to today do is take a notebook, put today's date, okay, and simply do what? Simply write the name of the chapter, determiners. Now those 6 students who have a notebook will do with me and then they will post their work on the group. Others will copy it. What is the name of the chapter
Grammar
we're
and
going to do
creative
today?
in one notebook.
Determiners.
Determiners. 7 students have got a notebook. So I'll count when you post it on the group. 7 students. Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Others need to copy. Same thing. Whatever these students are going to post on the group, you have to also write it in your fair copies. Any day, I'll tell you to switch on the cameras and show me your notebooks. 8 participants and then the 8th one is not sure. It has again gone back to 7. So 7 participants still have notebooks. Let me see who are there, good children. Naina, Aiza, Jigyasa, Puneet, Ujjwal, Gargi, and Pavni. Okay, beta. I'll wait for you to post your work on the group. What is the name of the chapter?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Determiners.
Yes.
Determiners. Do we have to make a creative and a grammar notebook different?
बेटा अभी तो बताया था. Just now one child had asked the same question. Were you not there in the meeting or were you sleeping, my child? Tell her what answer I gave for this question.
We have to maintain one single notebook for both.
Yes, you have one teacher. Then why do you want to make two notebooks? Make one notebook. That's it. Comprehension, grammar, writing, everything we will do in one copy only. Don't waste paper. Don't waste trees. Okay. Should I start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
10th time I think I'm telling you what is the name of the chapter.
Determiners.
What is
Determiner.
today's date?
Ma'am, 19th
19th of April.
April 2021.
Chalo. Put on the heading important determiners. Just the heading. Important determiners. Written? Write down
Yes,
the first
ma'am.
4 determiners which we'll be using. This, that, these, those. Please write this, that, these, those. This, that, these, those. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know the difference between this, that, these, those?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, please ask. Don't feel hesitant. If you feel कि ये नहीं याद है या नहीं भूल गए हैं or whatever, please ask me. Tell me, ma'am, we don't remember. Tell us again. Please feel free to ask. This, that, these, those. Everyone knows?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye.
Yes, ma'am.
Move on to the next determiners. 4 we have written. Continue writing. My, comma, mine. My, mine. His, hers, ours, our, our, ours, their, all the possessives, mera, tumhara, uska, iska, all what we call in English as possessives. My, mine, his, hers, theirs, ours, all these are also determiner category. We call them as possessives. What do we call the first ones? This, that, these, those.
Demonstrative.
Very good, very good. Good, demonstratives. So we've taken demonstrators, we've taken possessives. You've written all these determiners,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Does anyone have any doubt in these?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Chaliye. Write down the next, much and many. Much and many. What is the difference between much and many?
Ma'am,
Much is used
much
for
is for
uncountable.
uncountable
Much is for
and many is
uncountable
for
and many is for
countable.
countable.
Okay, fine. Much is used for countable or uncountables?
Uncountable.
And many is used for?
Countable.
Countable.
So everybody knows the difference between much and many?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one now.
Ma'am, which
Some-
type of determiners they are?
Quantifiers.
Okay, ma'am.
We call them as quantifiers. Okay. Move on to the next one. Some, comma, any. Please write this also. Some, comma, any. And now quickly tell me the difference between some and any. Let me see who
Any
tells.
is used in the negative sense while some is used in the positive sense.
Ma'am,
Yes.
any is interrogative and the sum is positive.
Yes, ma'am.
So what both of them are saying is correct. Just add on both the things and have it. Some is used for positive assertive sentences and any is used for interrogative and negative sentences. Revise with me. Some is used for
Assertive and
Positive.
positive.
positive sentences. Yes, I have this, I have that. All these are assertive sentences. And any is used with
The negative and the
sentences.
interrogative
Interrogative
sentences.
sentences.
I'll just speak out a sentence. You tell me I should use some or any. Okay. I have dash milk.
Some.
Some.
Some milk.
Some milk.
I don't have dash milk.
Any.
Any milk.
Very good. Do you have dash milk?
Any.
Any.
Do you have any milk? Okay, next. I have dash books.
Some.
Some books.
Some.
Some.
I don't have dash books.
Any.
Any.
Books.
Good. Now fill this one also. Do you have dash books?
Any.
Any.
Any books.
Hmm. Do you have dash books? What is it called?
Any.
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 Now, can you read out how many? Can you count and tell me how many determiners?
I'm
have you
14. 14.
Read out once, Naina. Read out once. All of them.
This, that, these, those, my, mine, his, hers, ours, theirs, much, many, and some, any.
Yes. Some and any also come in the category of quantifiers.
Okay, ma'am.
Some, any, much, many, they are all quantifiers. So, should I move on further if everybody is okay with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to distributives. The next category, actually, let me first complete quantifiers only. More quantifiers are left, like little, a little, the little. Little, a little, the little.
Ma'am, done.
Little, a little, the little. Little is used for countable or uncountables?
Uncountable.
Ma'am,
Uncountable.
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 Yes, little is used for uncountables. If you want to remember, you can write it also. Little is used for uncountables. Now listen, little actually means सिर्फ नाम के लिए, otherwise negative. It means negative. What does little mean? Negative.
Ma'am, negative.
बेटा देखो, supposing I have 5 drops of water in my bottle, तो नाम के लिए तो है water, but almost nil है ना, just 5 drops. So
Yes,
what will
ma'am.
I say? I have little water. What will I say?
I have like
Little water.
I have little water. What will I say? I have little water. बोलिए बेटा.
little water.
I have.
Little water.
Little water.
Now in your bottle, if you have 1 glass of water, big bottle and 1 glass, so water is there, but thoda hai. But hai. It is worth ki matlab yes, it is there. So you will say a little. What
A
what is the use?
A little.
A little.
So little basically means negative. सिर्फ नाम के लिए. Otherwise it is not there. Negligible. A little means है but बहुत थोड़ा सा है. And whatever 1 glass I had, supposing I gave it to Jigyasa, then I'll say the little water I had, I gave it to Jigyasa. जो भी थोड़ा बहुत था, that is the little. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Little means negative meaning, a little is positive but thoda sa, and the little means जो भी थोड़ा बहुत. Now please answer my questions. I have a bag. उसमें सिर्फ दो grains हैं rice के, 2 दाने चावल के, 2 grains of rice. I have little rice or a little rice or the little
Ma'am,
rice?
little rice.
Little
I have
rice.
5. ठीक है. I have 500 grams of rice. What will I say? Little
A
or little?
little rice.
A
little.
A little rice.
Now fill this. Dash rice I had, I gave it to Pavni.
The little rice.
The little.
The little.
A
Now,
little.
in my water bottle, I have 10 drops of milk. So I will say I have dash.
Little.
Little.
I have 1 glass. I will say I have dash milk.
A
A
little.
little.
A little.
Dash milk I had, I gave it to Ujjwal.
The little.
The little.
Everybody is clear with little, a little, the little?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now same thing is applicable. Write down the next 3 quantifiers: few, a few, and the few. few, a few, the few. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
The only
Yes,
difference is little is used for uncountables and few is used for countables. Almost negative hai, then we will say few. Thoda sa hai, then it is a few. And jo bhi thoda bahut, it is the few. So there is no change in the rules. It's going to be the same only. But only for countables you will use
few.
Okay, fine. Let's continue.
Ma'am,
Yes. Now tell me. I'm supposing मेरे पास only एक ही book है छोटी सी. Then I will say I have dash book.
Few.
Books. Few.
Few.
The few.
Few.
If I have 2-3 books, I'll say I have dash books.
A few.
Few.
A few books.
Very good. A few books. And beta, if I say dash books I had, I gave it to Aiza.
the few.
The few books.
Few books.
Okay? The few. So we are done with quantifiers, some, any, much, many, little, a little, the little, few, a few, and the few. Any confusions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Put on the next heading, interrogatives. Interrogatives. Write down the ones we use generally, interrogatives. What, which, whose, how, what, which, whose, how, comma, how many, comma, how much. One of you please read out.
Ma'am, what, which, whose, how much, how many.
Very good. What are these called?
Interrogative determiners.
Interrogative.
Interrogative.
The next category of determiners is articles.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can we include why also?
Yes, you can include. They are all WH questions. No, wherever you have a W and an H, it can be included.
Okay.
Why, which, how, wherever you have a WH, they are all called WH questions. You can all
Ma'am,
take
have you-
WH.
Ma'am,
Mhm.
have you confirmed the book?
I just told you, beta, I'm not able to confirm the book because all the publications which we have in the market till now were of old style. The CBSE has entirely changed the passage pattern now. With the comprehension pattern is entirely changed, the writing section is entirely changed. So again and again, I'm telling all of you, do not buy any practice papers until I suggest something to you. I'm doing
ma'am.
grammar with you. Keep doing grammar with me. And you can even take screenshots of the exercise which I post on my screen if you want to practice later. I'll be doing grammar exercises. I'll be doing writing section with you. Beta, we'll wait for another 3, 4, 5 days. Let more publications come in the market. Let me see. Why waste money? We'll only buy the one which is according to the latest syllabus of CBSE. There are a lot of changes this year the CBSE has done. Let us not go for the Purana wala books. It will be a wastage of money. So, abhi wait kariye, just study with me. Have you written article A and the? Please write down articles A and the. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And last determiners are distributives. Put on the heading distributives. Distributives. Right. Each, every, either, neither. Each, every, either, neither. Distributives. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So very quick, we were doing
Yes.
determiners, we did demonstrators. Which were the demonstrators?
This, that,
This,
those.
that, these, those.
Those.
Okay. Then we did possessors. Which were the possessors?
My, mine, his,
My,
hers,
mine,
theirs,
his, hers,
that.
theirs, ours.
It can be its also. It can be its also. Its also can be included in possessive, ITS. Then we moved on to quantifiers. सबसे ज़्यादा वाला. Come on, speak out the quantifiers.
Much, many,
Much, many.
some, any,
Many,
little, a
some,
little,
many.
the little, few, a few,
A
the few.
little few, a few, the few.
Okay. Then interrogators.
What, which,
Whose, how many, how
many,
much, how, why.
How much, why?
Articles. Articles.
A and the.
A and the.
And distributives.
Each, every, either,
Each,
neither.
every,
Every,
either, neither.
neither.
So can you count and tell me how many you've written? Determiners.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 25.